So today we're out here to do some seascape long exposure photography. Long exposure with no filters. In the menu, select interval shooting function and set your parameters. Here the start time is at 5 seconds with a shooting interval of 2 seconds, 48 shots, and let's go. For the camera settings, I've set everything to manual. Even the focusing is at manual. So the photos are all on the same parameters, on the same settings. So it finished the shooting. We have 48 images, as you can see. And now we have to combine them in software to simulate a long exposure. So let's do that now. I'll see you back in the studio. Oh, hello there. Back in the studio. Now we are going to do the edit in Affinity, because I tried it in Photoshop, it didn't work out very well. Oh, and one more thing. If you stick around to the end of the video, I got an extra tip for you that you're gonna like. So without any further ado, let's start. So in Affinity, go to File, New Image Process, and select Stack. In the next window, click the Add button, then select all the files we've shot for this long exposure. Next, click Automatically Align Images and select the Scale, Rotate and Translate option and click OK.
A few moments later.
Now it's done processing, we can find a layer group of all the images with the blending mode already applied. For this case, we can choose the median or the mean blending modes and see which one works best. Because it was very windy at the coast, my camera moved a little between shots, so the blending doesn't look 100% sharp in the foreground. But we can fix this with another trick. So let's export one JPEG of the mean blending and one of the median blending. The next step is to combine the two blending modes in one single exposure image from the bunch. So we go to File, New Image Process and select Stack. In the next window, click the Add button. Then select the first image of the sequence and the two stacked images from the previous edit. Next, click Automatically Align Images and select the Scale, Rotate and Translate option and click OK. Again, we get a layer group with 3 images, but we don't want that now. So let's right-click and select Ungroup. Let's drag the single exposure image to the top to use as foreground. The other two will be our background. Go to the top layer and let's do our selection. Click the selection brush tool and paint over the foreground like this. Subtract the unwanted parts and we're good to go. Next, we create a layer mask to exclude the background from this layer. Now hit Ctrl+D to deselect. Next, with the InPaint brush tool, let's clean those nasty dust spots in both the background layers. Next, we'll choose which stacking mode works best. In this case, we'll use the mean blending mode and a few parts of the median mode. To do that, we'll create a white layer mask on the mean layer. Next, we select the brush tool with the color black. And in the layer mask, we paint black in the areas we want to hide in order to reveal those same areas from the layer below, like this. Next, we select the layers, then right-click and select Rasterize. Then with all the layers selected, right-click again and click Merge Selected. And we have the final image. Now for some cropping, 16:9 for YouTube. Then we go to the develop mode and apply a little vignette, just because. And there we have it. Long exposure with no filters. Go out and try it yourself. It's easy and it looks quite cool. Oh, and for that extra pro photography tip, it's very simple. The tip is to never leave your photo session too soon. Stay in the location a little longer and you can get a few good images that you didn't even expect. That's all for today. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So, until next time, happy shooting!